Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to transfer the data from Android to iPhone. So in Play Store on Android, you download this app. It's called Move to iOS, and I'm gonna click on Open. Then I'm gonna click on Agree. Then you're gonna hit this option. It's called Connect with the Wi-Fi. Then you're gonna hit the option Transfer your apps and backup from Android. Then you're gonna click Continue, or you have to click on this barcode button. So once you click on this barcode button, it will gives you a verification code which you're going to enter on your Android. So once you see it's connecting to the devices, which is this device, so it might take few minutes. I'm just gonna pause the video and be right back. So as you can see now, it discovered my device. So now I'm going to click on iPhone 12 and I'm gonna click on continue, and I'm gonna enter this code 799409, and it start connecting. Then you should turn on messages, content, whatever the app you are allowed, you just turn it on. Then so hit continue. Once you turn all the option on, then you click continue, then you click done. Here transfer is complete. Then you click on forget password or don't have Apple account. Then you can click on setup later setting, then do not use. So I assume you are the first time user on Apple, so then you can able to create your account later on. This is the very easiest way to just transfer your data. So this is now a eSIM. So currently I'm not setting up a eSIM, so I'm gonna click on setup later, then continue, then do not share, then continue, then continue, then then later, now, then here you go. So you already signed in and you already transfer your data within a minute. So it's easy. Please like and subscribe and my channel. I will be posting these kind of video more. Thank you.